all the cultists in Nigeria, mostly at those states. I just come out this morning at the paro. At the paro for all those cultists within Nigeria, mostly at those states. Now they fool on yourself. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. I just can't use the opportunity to advise all those people where they be where they kick up and down. Una not get sense. Now poverty they worry una. Imagine the cockability. Where did they worry on herself? Una go jail court to the kill innocent people. Where be say government they there for una to use na unity. Come back together. Wanna go meet government. Wanna ask government what the government will take benefit to now. Now they kill each other. At the paro, not be like this morning, video I don't watch this yesterday, the way they kill innocent people for Benin. At the shame for all the cultists within Nigeria. At the shame for now. Okay, may I ask now one question? Una not be big men where they cultists. Like Davido now, if he carry gun go keep person. Whiskey if he carry gun go keep person. Two-Face, not be cultist. He go fit carry gun go keep person. Una know people where they cultists where be say they wear. They fit carry gun go keep person. All those poor people wey never see food eat. Mumu people. Your call say be cultist. No, they call cultist. Now illiteracy they worry all of na illiteracy. I want to tell you now. Aye, Bokanian, Maf, Arobaga, una dey craze, una not get sense. Which day una don't unite, una still call una self, say mo still do meeting, mo go meet government, say see wetin we, because una not viral. If you look the old cultists, don't be waiting that they had again. All the old cultists not viral. Which cultists they not? Even they get branch abroad. Come Europe, make us see the old cultists. They get branch everywhere. They get branch abroad, get branch everywhere for the world. Una don't viral. Una don't viral full everywhere. Still yet, una not use no sense. Mona gather together. Say okay, now let's go and meet federal government or state government. More demand something from them. What you go help? Okay, Mona look Niger Delta. No, you see Niger Delta militant. Now cut this the BO, but they're tight. Don't they key anyhow? If they want key, don't say they want key. Don't they key anyhow? All those Niger Delta cultists. These will be cultists. Niger Delta militant. They'll be cultists. Just that they wear. All those local Benin people they say cultists. You all come out, you fly blue beret. Come out, fly black beret. Because the form say, my God, now poverty they worry you. If you don't make money, you'll know say this is why they tell you the truth. If you don't really make money for life, you'll come see and say, really, to even come and say you be cultist, you shame not let you try. You'll say na shame, na stain to your name. Na stain to your name. If they pay me say, some people you sit down, they know you get sense. Which day since na start that cultist for Nigeria? Which day of that don't sit down? Aye, Mafat, Bokanian, Arobaga, no sit down and still do meeting for now. Say which day? You go join the cultist, say maybe enemy of the other court. You go join the cultist, make you be enemy of the other cultist. What do you make you join cultist? Say what do you make you join court? You when they wash me, what do you make you join court? You join court, make you gonna kill the other person, or you join court to make you deal. What do you make you join? I know you all know. See what did happen for those states now. Now this what did happen for those states. Are you guys happy? When be say people you go for nowhere. No, you go for nowhere. Say they be caught, it's gonna kill people for those states. Now they happy? Now they happy? When people you go for nowhere, you're gonna kill people for those states. Now let those states they do killing. No, go about, no go another place, no go north. No go kill people for north. We then I don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. We then I don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. Why business let those states? Why business let those states? Why those states? Where be say any small thing, I don't kill better people. Where be say supposed to be better people in future. I don't kill all of the finish. No one be president tomorrow. No one be governor tomorrow. All the name of Aye, Bokania, Mafat. Now don't kill everybody finish. Now God will punish all of you now. Now God will punish all of you now. No, they don't get sense. Big boy, whether they make money, big boy, whether they make money, you know if you carry gun, come and say, I will kill a fellow person. For what reason? Now, not even they drag money. Ask me to the cost quarter. If you go party now, that one say, my girlfriend, yours body didn't like my girlfriend. Very nasty things where they cause problem. Not be money, not the share, now it cause problem, not be money cause problem. Where did they cause problem? Nothing. Since where cut is the fight for being, we don't know it cause problem. Before you knew, they don't kill Sazua. Before you knew, they don't kill Jacob. Before you know, waiting. Oh, wakire, oh, what wakbe wakire. Bini people wakire. If you do, all the courtists where they bini wakire, oh, what wakbe. Una not get sense. Okay, see una leader for inside the courtists. All those ones they go meet governor. Governor the tear money give them. May I tell you something? I hear leader, leader, Mafat leader, Bokania leader, Arobaga leader. Their leader, they'll go collect money for governor hand. All these small boys will go to kill yourself. Una not get sense. Like me be now, all confront my friend. If you come and say, man, don't play with this confront, or man, don't do this one, now God will punish you. You the craze. All confront my friend. Are they mad? Where did they stop? Where did they stop? See now they kill everybody anyhow. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. You know the meaning of death? If you keep person don't finish, you are condemned the career. Financially, you destroy the life of that person. So you say you're newborn, before you all know. If your wife see the hospital, maybe the boy say, well, go see your wife before you all know they say don't kill the boy. For what reasons? Which gain that they get? You don't kill 5 people, you say you rugged. Which gain you get? At the end, you're hungry. You don't kill 5 people. You don't say you rugged. You rugged to kill 5 people. Which gain you get for that to killing that 5 people? You bomb, you dey okay, you rich. At the end, you go to smoke go for corner. No level for you. Big boys never have kill. More than consequently big boys they do. They just they zoo up and down. They just they zoo. I bet when they share this video. I want me all the old cultists where they bini. May they listen to this video. I beg all the cultists where they bini. I want me to listen to this video. All their number one, all the leaders of the cultists, may they listen to this video. It's hard time for una to advance on herself. Why killing? Too much killing is too much. Why? If they pardon me, why? Where did they stop? None of you organize, all the leaders on the okay now, as we don't very rich now, nowhere they don't know the cultists. Call Europe here, call all the states for Europe. If they say cultists not, then I lie. All the states for Europe, cultists there everywhere. At the end, no benefit, nothing. Now just to they kill each other. Fool yourself up and down. Why? Why fooling yourself? You go join cultists, make for go to kill your old brother. What do you make you join cultists? Maybe for go to kill your old brother, that make you join cultists. Now better thing be that. You go join cultists, make they kill your old brother. Now better thing be that. Your old brother. Hey God, I dey shame for Benin people. Wagumagba ne do walao, if do walao, keke wariri aje do, wanaga cultists. Walu wanegbuwa. The killing is too much. The killing is too much. Why? The killing is too much. Why killing like that? Which day all the kofra still sit down, say may still do friend one day. All the kofra within Nigeria, all the kofra within Nigeria go sit down. Say okay, more still unite together. Waiting. Una join the kofra until they kill each other. Those days all the year back kofra for peace, for unity. But now, not to the key. What? No, they go killing. No, they go killing. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? It could maybe say all the number one, Aye number one, Eye number one, Bokania number one, Mafa number one, all the number one men. Mona come and call you, everybody come and call them. Mona call them. Now they crazy. I don't get you this morning. What did they worry on now? No, not get sense. Mona go the next state. Mona go the rest state. Whether they suffer Benin, they suffer the rest state like that. No. Wajare no like cut. Mumu people. Mumu. Now poverty they worry what? You know the kind of poverty where they worry wish. You get one video where I do wish they hear. I say all the wish where they Nigeria. No billionaire for wish. Now never see billionaire for wish. Now poor people they see for wish. That poverty life where they worry wish. Now they worry all those cultist people. That poverty.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people